There is one thing common between all of us. We all have our own mother tongue. That might be English or any other language. मी जे पण बोलतोय या व्हिडिओमध्ये हे प्रत्येकाला समजलं पाहिजे हेच उद्देश आहे. What if I start talking in my own mother tongue? Probability is high that most of us will not understand it. Likewise, imagine for a moment that our clothes are talking. Hey Cotton, how are you? Hey Linen, I'm not good, dude. Oh, what happened, Cotton? See, my owner loves me a lot, but he don't understand my language, and that's why he can't take care of me. Unknowingly, he's ruining my life. Not understanding a cloth's language might be a sad moment for cloths. So ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we are going to learn what our cloths want to say and why they want to say it. So let's begin.
We have divided washing symbols in 6 parts in total. To understand symbols and why it is given on the fabric. Now let's start with the first part, washing symbols. So, washing symbols basically tells us how to wash clothes, like heat level, to wash or not to wash, best machine setting, and whether we can use bleach or not. Our first point in how to wash is do not wash. A tub icon with large X in front, this usually means the fabric needs to be dry cleaned instead of machine washed. Hand wash only. A tub water with hand inside. Washing clothes in washing machine might be too rough for some fabrics. So hand wash is best cleaning method for some specific fabrics. Now we will see symbols related to water temperature. The right water temperature for washing clothes depending on the fabric type. Most materials are best washed in cold water. Warmer temperatures are better for more durable fabrics, including cotton and linen. The temperature level is represented by number of dots inside the tub icon. Cold water. Cold water washing cycle is symbolized by single black dot in the middle of tub. It is better at removing stains from your clothes. Dark color and delicate materials are better washed in cold water. See, cold water don't cause color to bleed into other fabrics and also won't damage delicate materials like wool. Warm water. A warm water washing cycle is symbolized by 2 black dots with the water temperature reaching up to 105 degrees. Warm water is best for knit materials like cotton jersey because heat can help easily to remove dirt. Hot water. 3 black dots are represented for hot water. This heat level is one of the highest at 120 degrees, while there is a highest risk of shrinkage and color fade. Hot water is good temperature if you are trying to kill dust mites. Now we will see machine setting. Normal cycle. The normal cycle is symbolized by simple tub icon filled with water. Their normal cycle has the longest washing time up to 30 minutes. Permanent press cycle. The tub icon with horizontal lines underneath indicate permanent press setting. In this, your clothes is washed in warm water, rinsed with cold water and spin cycle are mild. Warm water relaxes the material and reduces wrinkles. delicate or gentle cycle. Two horizontal lines underneath the tub icon represents delicate or gentle cycle. This is perfect for cloths with looser wave because there is less pilling or fade threads. Let's see about bleaching symbols now. You may know this. Bleaching is a chemical used to enhance the cleaning power of laundry detergents. Bleach can help brighten and whiten fabrics. It also disinfects cloths by killing bacteria. Not all fabrics need bleach. Our first symbol is bleaching. Bleach is represented by triangle symbol. This means any type of bleach is safe to use with your clothing. Do not bleach. If your clothing should never be washed with bleach, you can find triangle icon with X in front. Non-chlorine bleach. The triangle symbol with two diagonal lines on a bottom right corner indicates non-chlorine bleach is necessary. Non-chlorine bleach is color safe, means it won't cause color to fade during washing. Now let's move to our next category of symbols, that is drying symbols. This sequence represents drying symbols. This represents that how we can best dry our clothing, whether by air drying or machine drying. Air dry. For some fabrics, air drying is more gentle compared to machine, even though the drying process may take longer. It may be possible that you have air dry setting on your dryer, which may be more convenient than actual drying. If not, then placing your clothes on drying rack or flat surface works best for air drying. Dry flat. A square symbol with an inner horizontal line across the middle means you should dry your clothes on flat surface. Lying your clothes flat instead of hanging it to dry may prevent specific kind of fabric from stretching like a wool, which will definitely increase life of cloth. Hang dry. The hang dry symbol looks like a square with curved line inside similar to an envelope. Okay, hanging cloths may speed up drying process because there is more air circulation in your clothing. But if you can hang it indoor, it's great. Direct sun rays may reduce cloth life by affecting on cloth's thread. So it is suggested to dry indoor if possible. Do not wring. If your clothing should not be wrung out, the care tag will have symbol shape similar to a piece of candy with a large X. Wringing out your clothes could damage fabric, can ruin your favorite clothes. Instead, gently squeeze as much as water as possible. Then hang clothing up to dry. Other two drying symbols which are to look out. First is drip dry. A square icon with 3 vertical lines inside means your cloth should be drip dried, not to be confused with hang drying. It is when we hang our clothes to remove excess water drips down the drain. This method is very helpful for bachelors or those who hate to do ironing or don't have time to do so. Drip drying helps to eliminate ironing. Dry in shade. If your clothes need to be dried in shade, so that it will have square with 2 parallel lines in the top left corner on the care tag. This process may take longer time than drying out in direct sunlight or however some dark color to be dried in shade only to prevent fading. Dark and bright colors have higher chance of fading when it is exposed to direct sunlight. This symbol represents how your clothing should be dried in dryer. Cloths with the tumble dry icon. A circle inside the square. This clothing doesn't need to be air dried. However, you can still air dry your clothing if that's what you prefer. Since air drying is more gentle than machine drying. Normal tumble dry. This dry involves spinning cloths with level of heat to dry cloths with minimal wrinkle. It is shown like square with circle inside. Normal tumble dry comes with heat details in some symbols. Normal tumble dry on a low heat has some rigor spin, but with less heat. It is represented as a single dot in the middle of circle. It is great for loosely woven cloths. If your cloths need to be dried with a mid-heat, the care tag should have circle inside of square with 2 dots in middle. Medium heat is good for most of the fabric and may only lead to minimal shrinkage. Cloths that require high heat marked by 3 dots in the circle. The high heat setting is usually not recommended since your cloth has a higher risk of shrinkage. However, if you are washing your bedding and worried about dust mites or bed bugs, drying your bedding in high heat is an excellent solution to killing these pests. No heat tumble dry. It is good alternative to air drying. If you are not sure, look for a black circle inside the square. This setting is also good option if you rely on commercial washing machines and dryers. Do not tumble dry. Some clothing should never put through a dryer. Air drying those cloths is a best option. This symbol is a circle inside of a square with a large X in front. Materials like silk and wool may shrink or pills inside a drying machine. Permanent press. The permanent press cycle uses some heat during the drying process to reduce wrinkle in the cloths. Wrinkle may still happen, but it won't be as same as clothing dried in cooler temperatures with higher agitation. Then we come to ironing symbols. Every iron has its own level of coolness, medium and hotness. In this we have 2 more symbols. One is do not iron. Cloths that should not be ironed will have iron icon with large X in front. Another in ironing is steaming not allowed. Steaming is an option to remove wrinkles perfectly. However, it's not safe for all cloths. And our last point is dry cleaning symbol. Dry clean only. If your clothing is dry cleaned only, the care tag will have a simple circle icon. Do not dry clean. On the other hand, clothing that should not be dry cleaned will have a circle symbol with large X.
So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed learning what our cloths want to say and why they want to say. If we listen to our cloths will be happy. If we be happy, we can increase our life as a human. If cloths be happy, we can increase cloths' life. So let's be happy and let's keep our cloths also happy. In our coming videos, we are going more deeper. This is Basavaraj Patil signing off. Until we meet again.